You can watch this video to learn more about how to become a drone pilot in Tennessee and how to complete each step of the application process. Be sure to watch the video all the way through so you don't miss any critical steps. Finding out if you qualify is the first step in getting a drone pilot license in Tennessee. The same prerequisites as in the rest of the nation must be met to receive a drone pilot license in Tennessee. The truth is that many people frequently view drones as entertaining toys. However, you cannot immediately begin flying one of them. In reality, there is a minimum age requirement. Additionally, there are far stricter regulations for commercial use. In order to fly without any limitations, you must be at least 16 years old and in decent physical shape. Additionally, a drone pilot needs to speak and write English well. Commercial drone use and recreational drone use are very different. The trust exam is a safety assessment needed for recreational flying. This test is an FAA requirement. There is more you need to do if you want to fly professionally and generate money as a drone pilot in Tennessee. You must enroll in a remote pilot certificate training course as the next step to become a drone pilot in Tennessee. To help you pass the Part 107 exam, which you must do to get a drone license in Tennessee, this training is crucial. Only a few quality FAA-approved courses are available. The best training course that has been approved by the FAA is shown in this video's description. This course contains all the information you need to pass the Part 107 exam. The following step in the procedure to become a drone pilot in Tennessee is to obtain your FTN from IACRA. Without a federal tracking number, or FTN, you cannot register for the Part 107 FAA exam. IACRA, or the Integrated Airman Certification and Rating Application, can be used to obtain this FTN. If you satisfy the prerequisites, creating an account won't be a problem for you. After finishing, you will receive your FTN, which will enable you to register for exams and submit job applications. Follow these steps to register for an FTN at IACRA. Registration is found in the top right corner of the IACRA webpage next to the login button. Click the register link to start the process. Choose the applicant role to start a new certificate. You must also agree to the TOS, or Terms of Service. You should then follow these guidelines to make a user profile and finish the forms. You can exclude the information from your current certificate if you're applying for a new one. Type your complete legal name here. Make sure this name matches the one you will use on the FAA Part 107 test, because they must match. Suffixes of any kind are included in this. Use your email address so you may get important alerts, like your FTN once this process is over, through email. You can create your login and password in this section. Save this somewhere convenient for fast access. To finish, press the register button. Now your FTN will appear on the screen. You need to keep this data in a safe space. However, it will also be sent to the email address you provided when registering. When a certifying authority requests your FTN during a job application, you must comply. For a variety of situations, you'll need to keep your FTN on hand. You must next pass the Part 107 exam in order to get a drone pilot license in Tennessee. It needs to be booked at an authorized testing site. You can find all the instructions for taking the test right here. This test consists of 60 multiple-choice questions. Your options will be A, B, or C. Unlike the SAT, the test level of difficulty does not change depending on your response. Each of the questions can be answered on its own. There will almost certainly be illustrations for any questions using airspace charts and maps. The exam must be completed in 2 hours, and you must possess outstanding verbal and written English communication skills. You will have to pay a cost for the test, which may vary from time to time. Additionally, your license must also be renewed every 24 months. A passing grade of 70%, or 42 accurate responses out of 60 is required. If you don't pass, you have 2 weeks to retake the exam. After receiving exam results, you need to be aware of the following. Any drone or small unmanned aircraft may be subject to inspection and testing upon the FAA's request at any time. Additionally, you'll probably need to produce any registration documentation. Accidents that result in $500 or more in damage must be reported within 10 days. Prior to a flight, you're in charge of conducting your own pre-flight check and examining your control station. These are the steps you must take in order to get your Tennessee drone pilot license and become a drone pilot in Tennessee. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. To learn more, visit us at dronepilotsschooler.com.